As blizzard conditions roll through parts of Siouxland, a few major roadways are shutting down. How your commute might be affected is today's top story. Here's a live look to our north up in Sioux Falls, where, as you can see, already the area has been completely blanketed with snow. South Dakota road crews are just now getting back out on the streets after being pulled late last night due to dangerous conditions. The Department of Public Safety strongly encouraging drivers to stay home until workers have had a chance to clear those streets. One major roadway being affected is Interstate 29, which is now closed from Sioux Falls all the way to the North Dakota border. Also included in that closure, I-90 extending more than 300 miles west towards Rapid City. And if you absolutely must travel this morning, here are a few quick reminders. Be sure to tell your family and friends where you're going before you get in the car. Make sure you've got a winter weather survival kit prepared and stored in your vehicle, including a charged phone, blankets, and food. Most importantly, if you do get stranded, do not leave your vehicle in a blizzard. Already this morning, several flights have also been canceled out of Sioux Falls, including trips to Chicago, Denver, and Minneapolis. Things here at the Sioux Gateway Airport not that much better, where this morning's only departure has been delayed for over 5 hours. Likewise, a 1 a.m. flight arriving from Kansas had to be diverted to Des Moines. We will, of course, be monitoring warnings and those conditions all day long, so stay tuned to KCAU 9. We'll have live coverage from Yankton later today at 5, 6, and 10. If you do intend to travel this morning, again, do be sure to dial 511 for the latest road closings and delays.